created a prototype where people can send hugs, which is something that we didn't try to explore yet. So I think that could be an interesting first approach. So hi, I'm Riccardo. I'm 24 years old and I'm here in the Netherlands in the Citadel University to do my thesis in human-computer interaction. I decided to come here from Italy because I found this opportunity for this university to develop and try to experiment with new technologies and cool devices. This is the mannequin that had one of the two skins. These skins are made to record and perceive a pressure point in each of the squares you see. And these data were recorded and saved in a file so that it could be replayed in this vest to make a hug. So I was, for example, the one that hugged this mannequin so that it could save my hug and to be reproduced in the vest.